How to make Notes dark mode on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app on iPhone is a versatile tool for capturing and organizing information. It allows users to create various types of notes, including checklists, text-based notes, and those with multimedia like images, sketches, and even scanned documents. As you can see, the app is in light mode. Now, go back and open up the Settings application. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This page allows you to adjust the screen brightness, switch between light and dark appearance, enable True Tone, and configure other display-related settings. Here, go to the Appearance section at the top. As you can see, your phone is now in light mode. If you want to change it to dark mode, then tap on the dark option. You have now successfully changed your phone to dark mode. Go back and open the Notes app to view it in dark mode. Following these steps, you can easily make Notes dark mode on iPhone.